Hello viewers! Recently, I ordered a package. I ordered the GTS3M, which is a Rubik's Cube, and it's a speed cube that's meant for experts. So my other speed cube, the Cyclone Boys 3x3, it's a really good speed cube, but for beginners who begin solving the Rubik's Cube more quickly. But the Moyu Weilong GTS3M is a expert speed cube. So it's really fast, it has magnets, and you can change the spring tensions and screw tensions. And I'll get into all of that in this video. So stay tuned and keep watching after this. Here's the box that it came in. It's actually a pretty good box. Moyu, the company who made this cube, came in with a new box where the entire thing is black with gold writing on the top saying which cube it is. This is the GTS3M, and now I'm going to open the box for the first time. Wow. The cube in a really good plastic casing and an accessory box. First, we'll get into the less exciting things to build up the excitement for this. Let's get the accessory box out. Let's open the top. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. Oh. Okay, so first off, we have these weird little card things that I think are instructions and discounts for more Moyu cubes, which is cool. And then this is a screwdriver for the screws on the Rubik's Cube, which is pretty good that they included this. Remember how I said earlier this cube had magnets? Well, these are small magnets. They're very tiny, and they're stuck together, but it's fine because if the cube's magnets fall out, we can take apart the pieces and just glue in these ones. So that's good. Now, and this, basically, the GTS3 has a system where you can change the spring tensions. And this is basically the way you do it. So you see this screw driver? Yeah. On the inside of the cube, the screw is usually in the middle, and there's just a blue thing wrapping around it. And if you turn it with this tool, you can change the settings of the spring. But this is just a spare part if you want to replace that. And like I said, this is the spring tension screwdriver. And now these, I'm not really sure what they are. I'm pretty sure they help the cube stand up, but yeah. Now that's everything in this accessory box. Now let's get into the main part, the cube. Now, I'm gonna give it a bit of a test. Wow, it turns so good because the magnets are literally just like aligning the layers for me, and the corner cutting is the best I've ever seen. Look at this. That's really good. And even if you look at the bottom of the box, there's this little stand which you can stick to this hole, and then you can prop the cube up like this, and it's a little showpiece. It looks really nice. Now let me show you what this tool is for. So if you take off the center caps, it's a little hard. So you see a screw, and there's a blue piece in the middle, which is this. If you take this tool, you can turn the blue piece to change the spring tensions. Now, I'm not going to do this because I like how it is right now and I do not want to change it. But if you don't like what it's like right now, you can just change it up. It'll be cool. And the screwdriver just changes how tight it is. This controls how stable and fast the cube is. Okay, Now that's it for the unboxing. Let me do a solve on this cube and see how long it takes. Let me mix it up. Okay, so I'm gonna start the timer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 43 seconds. That's 10 seconds lower than my average on this cube, which is a really good time difference for me just start using this cube. That means once I practice some more on this, I'll get even less times. And the same thing for you if you're an expert cuber. Let's go over all of its features again because the features are a bit spread out on the video. So, this cube is for experts, not beginners. That's 1, okay? 2, you can change the spring tensions and the tightness. The screw tightness refers to how tight the cube is and how it feels. The spring relies on how stable the cube is or fast and corner cutting. And by the way, the factory tensions, the factory tightness of this cube is so great because you can corner cut over 45 degrees easily. And also, one thing I haven't touched at all in this video, this cube has ridges along the sides so that you could get a better grip. Honestly though, for some people, it just makes them worse. For some people, it makes them better. Some people, like me, doesn't really feel a difference because my hands are here and not on the ridges. And one final thing, this cube also has magnets. You can do this without getting stuck, whereas on this cube, it's kind of hard to turn because there's no magnets keeping it together. And this cube can keep a cube shape better than this. You have to like straighten it. But this one, no, magnets are doing the trick nicely. Now I've talked about all the benefits and good things about this cube, but there's just one final thing that might turn you away from buying it. This was 62 Canadian dollars. 25, 10, 10. That is an insane price difference, but it's worth it because once you get this cube, you realize it's really good. And right now, I'm still surprised how good this cube is, and it's definitely my main. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you. Remember, I will always enjoy these videos as much as you do. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.